Ahoy, this is Zdenka. I ditched my mirrorless camera for the day and pulled out an iPhone 13 Pro instead to test the cameras as I was shooting a fall fashion street shoot with Natalie. Here's a little preview. This video is a plain behind-the-scenes video, not a tutorial. Observe, enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe as the following video will be in-depth tutorial on how to use the camera app and its settings. Many photo and video examples will be included. On this one I'm just using portrait because we are not in a city and I'm not really seeing much of a background behind her, so it doesn't make sense to do storytelling. But here, because we are in nature, there's really just bushes and stuff. I'm shooting in portrait mode because it just makes sense. And good thing about portrait mode that you can adjust the background, how much blurry you want it actually after. You don't have to set it up now, the camera, you can just fix it up as you're editing. All right, I need you to be now, please, something like that. It's gonna be very, very portrait. Oh, that's great. This is awesome. Oh, leave it, that's perfect, the wind. And looking that way. Now that big chunk off. Beautiful. Can you like touch the foreground a little bit so I go a little bit closer with the head? That's it. Amazing. And look up somewhere. Can we bring the other hand there too in the picture? I'm gonna go very down. I have to bring the sun all the way down. Perfect. Yeah, keep moving around. And portrait. And this one, 3 times. I would do a little bit more like, yeah, like a lot of, that was good too. Like, what do you feel comfortable? I'm gonna go back. I'm trying not to see the garbage. It's pretty good. Really wide stand on this one, it looks better. Too far. Too close. That's great. And turn backwards totally on me and maybe like go a little bit forward. Yep. Look away. Oh, that's great. Shooting this raw and in just a standard lens. Gorgeous. Oh, wonderful. Oh, awesome smiles. Yeah, keep just moving and smiling and a lot of energy, this one. Awesome. Gorgeous. Yeah, and big smile. Brighten it up, brighten it up, brighten it up. Okay, I'll do portrait now. I love it. Awesome. Natalie, when I say 1, 2, 3, like totally, okay? 1, 2, 3. And look that way. 1, 2, 3. It's awesome. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we'll do it one more time, just in case. Just a second. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. That looks good. Oh, love that. Gorgeous. I'm gonna back up on that. Look up. Perfect. And this is raw shots. This framing looks good. Yep, one hand on that, please. To full length. Gorgeous. And just keep playing around, and I'll do a whole bunch of photos. Playing with hair, whatever you feel. Yeah, that's great. Oh, love it, love it. Hold it. Looking like this. Perfect. Yeah, you can actually step on that and look at, turn towards me, please. Yep. Maybe the 1 foot higher. Yeah. That's great. Uh-huh. And look to the sides if you like. I'll try the portrait again, see the difference you're gonna get. More straight up. Yeah. And totally playing with hair. Excellent. And now turn this way, like you're stepping down and just looking at me this way, please. Yeah, stop, stop, and look at me. As close to the wall as possible. And looking ahead in front of you. Wonderful. Oh, leave the hair there, or the hand there. Perfect. Good. Yeah, we'll keep moving here, please, again. Let's try the portrait on this one. Just natural light. I'm gonna go closer to you. Oh, I love this. This is a good look now, what you're doing. Amazing. Just open your eyes more, so looking up somewhere, please. Chin a little bit higher, higher. Gorgeous. And now look at me. Go like this, if you can. You got so much hair. Oh, I love this. Beautiful. Open your lips a little bit, please. Yeah, look up. It's good. And back to raw. If you like the look of these photos, a link to free Adobe Lightroom preset can be found below the video in a video description. And VIP members will get 3 new presets, as well as access to all previous ones. Yeah, I think we have it. These look so good. Come have a look, come have a look. These look like really, really, what is that set I love. Isn't that gorgeous? These are good.
Oh my gosh.
I think we have quite a bit.
Yeah.
We didn't freeze, which is a good thing. So now it's just, time to edit the photos, and hopefully you saw what you like, because you actually saw already the edited photos. So what am I saying now? Anyways, hit the thumbs up if you liked today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao, ahoj.